Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get a new uh, piece bundle that gives you a headless look. So first of all, you have to go to in marketplace. Now you have to go to in recently created. Now you have to choose from head and head. Fine. Now you'll get this bundle which is Apple with a bundle. Now click on it. So I already own this item and it was earlier for free, but now it's uh, now it comes with 30 Robux. Just 5 minutes ago, I just got it as soon as. So I thought, why should I not grab it before it goes on sale? Fortunately, I have this bundle. I'll show you how to get how it gives you a faceless look. So first of all, you have to go to in head and body, and now you have to go to in style. Now you have to choose this bundle. So I fortunately got this bundle, guys. Just click on it. Now, if you want to give a faceless look, what you can do, you can choose a hair that covers your face from all around. So you have to go to in head and body, go to now hair. So I'll recommend you to choose a long hair that covers your face. Just click on it. Now go to head and body and go to again skin tone. Go to head and body and go to skin tone. Now you have to go to in advance. In advance, click on it. Now you have to go. You have to choose this one head. Now you have to choose any color that suits your hair color. I'm going to choose black color because my hair color is black. Now it gives you a peak headless look. Now you can see. So let me go back again. Let me choose add and let me choose some other color. So you can try this out and it will give you a free faceless or the headless look. Or you can go to head and body and go to style. So I also, or if you want to give a real faceless look, then guys, you can get this bundle or this piece. You have to choose this and let me show you how it looks. It gives you a real faceless look. So I'm going to give you the link of this item as well. Now you can see it gives you a freaking you can see it gives you a complete faceless look on Roblox. So you can try this as well. But the Apple one won't satisfy because it's not going to give you exact or real faceless headless look, but gives you a fake one. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. So I got this bundle. Fortunately, if you want to get it, you can get it for few 30 Robux. So I just believe me, guys. It was 5 minutes ago. It was for free, but now it is for 30 Robux. So just to get updated, just follow my channel. Subscribe to our channel to get all the new item as soon as possible, and hit the bell icon to get all the updated regarding the new bundles and so